Hey guys, what's up? It's Devin. How's it going? Today I am doing a Yesstyle unboxing and haul / try on for you guys. And the thing I really love about Yesstyle is that it takes so long for shipping to get to you that you forget what you've ordered, and then when you do get it, it's like a surprise. Okay, so that's really not the best advertisement, sorry Yesstyle, and I actually don't really mean it. Sometimes I do get things super fast, like this package right here. I did actually get it probably within 2 weeks of when I ordered it, so for me I feel like that's pretty fast for Yesstyle. What I usually like to do is try to see the things that I want to get if they're in stock, and if it says available, like 24 hours or 2 to 3 days availability. So that's what I did with everything here, and I feel like that kind of helped me get it so fast. 2 weeks doesn't seem like it's that fast, but when it's coming from overseas, especially during COVID, I feel like it's really fast. So I really only honestly remember one thing that I ordered from this, which was a sweater. Honestly, that is completely like the only thing truly that I remember what I ordered. Really, I'm not lying when I say the rest of it is going to be a surprise, because I totally don't remember. So here's what I got. Let's go with the first thing that I do remember, was a sweater. So this sweater, I believe, was like a one size only type of deal. It was supposed to be like oversized, and usually the sizing on Yesstyle, you have to do a size up. Sometimes I don't have to. Sometimes with certain shirts I can get a small, which I am a small, but when I want oversized, I usually do like an extra large for it to be oversized. This though was a one size only. Overall, the color is really good and the fabric's nice. It's not sheer at all, like you can't really see through it, so that's cool. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear with it, but let's see how it looks. Here is the sweater. I think it's super cute. It's really comfortable. I like how oversized it is. I'm definitely going to rip these jeans up a little bit, make them kind of holy jeans, add some long like chain necklaces to it. But overall, I'm really happy with it. It's super cute. This, I don't remember getting at all. These are a pair of plaid pants. First impression is they're kind of sheer. You can kind of see through them. I'm holding them up and I can see like the light very clearly through. Pants and bottoms for me from Yesstyle are so hard because I have such a big butt that it's really a struggle to find anything. My thighs are a little bit bigger too, so let's see what I got. What size did I get? I want to say I did a medium in these. Sometimes when I do a large, they're too big. Sometimes a medium is way too small, so hopefully we can get these to fit. I'm not sure though. Okay, so I'm actually completely shocked that these fit. They're really comfortable. They are more high-waisted and they look pretty good. What? Definitely need to put a little belt with this and some jewelry, maybe a hat, but they're really cute. Next up is a t-shirt. I believe this is from Moon City or Melon Juice. Those are usually the two brands that I like to shop from on Yesstyle because they fit me good. The consistency is always there, like the quality of everything. So this is just like a kind of oversized reddish pinkish t-shirt. So here is the t-shirt, oversized. I tucked it in a little. It's super soft. I think it's really cute. Definitely one of my new favorite t-shirts, especially from Yesstyle. I really like it. Okay, this, I have no idea what this is. I really don't remember purchasing any of these. This is a skirt. I have the worst luck with skirts on Yesstyle. I don't know why I did this. I bought this black skirt and this belt that goes with it, I guess. It's one of these deals that goes around the waist. Oh, there is something else. I'm gonna have to look back to see how this works. First impressions, like this little guy on here is kind of cheap. I'm not gonna lie, like the fabric. I think honestly this was like $7 though, so you get what you pay for. Like it's not that bad for $7. It's okay, like the quality is okay. Again, like I don't know why I bought skirts. I never have luck with skirts on Yesstyle. Like once in a great while I will, if they're kind of longer, or they most of them always have shorts underneath, which is really nice to have. But honestly, like the waist never fits me, or the length is just way too short with my butt. So we'll see if we can make this work. I'm not sure. This might be a return, honestly, to be honest. Okay, this is another like, why did I get these? Because they probably won't fit. These are just like, and I want to say honestly these are supposed to be like thigh highs, which on me I don't know if they will be. Maybe we'll put them on with the black skirt. We'll see. Wow! So this was something else that I didn't think would fit me, and honestly it barely does. But I think it's super cute, and I definitely can't get these stockings on as thigh high, so they're just gonna have to be to the knee. It's just the skirt is really tight, like on my rib, but also I feel like it's pretty cute and it's actually not that short. So I think I'll keep it and like maybe try to do something with it. Also this belt like took me 15 minutes to figure out how to wear it. So next up we have some zebra pants. First impressions, again, these are pretty see-through when I hold them up to the light. I feel like you might be able to see my skin through the white. The quality is not that great. Like they're not that thick. Again, this is like a brand I usually wouldn't buy from Yesstyle, and their reviews were kind of hit or miss, but I really love like the zebra print that's coming back, and I feel like everything is very like, I don't know, 90s-ish, which I love. Oh yeah, I'm not sure what I'm even gonna pair with this, but we'll try to find something. I wasn't too sure about these either, but they're actually pretty cute. They're very tight on me. I think I probably could have gotten a size bigger to have them a little more baggier maybe. Not too sure if I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna be completely honest. Yeah, I'm just not sure if I'm feeling them on me, but they are actually really cute. The quality, like I said, on these were like a little bit cheaper, but for the price I feel like they're not too bad. Okay, and last up I got a sweater. It's cute. Honestly, I feel like it looked a lot different online. I want to say this was also like a one size deal, and it is bigger than what I remember it looking like, but the material is really nice. It's thick, it's really soft. I think it would be cute with like a skirt or something, but I feel like it might be a little too big, so we'll see if we can make this work too. Okay, so I wasn't too sure about this, but honestly I think it's one of my favorite things that I got this time. I put it with a black skirt, which I got from Yesstyle a while back. It's not the same black skirt I had on before. I feel like you can tuck it in and it'd be really cute. I wasn't sure because it was oversized, but I really like it, and it's super soft. I think it'd be cute with jeans, and you could unbutton it even. Definitely one of my favorites. Alright guys, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this mini Yesstyle try on and haul. I really like everything that I got. The only thing I'm a little questionable about if I'm gonna keep or return are the zebra pants. Maybe I'll give them to somebody that's a little skinnier than I am, and maybe their body type will look a little bit better in them. For me, I just didn't feel comfortable in them, so I didn't really like the way I looked. But overall, everything else was really great, and I really liked everything, and I hope you enjoyed.